Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. And in today's video, I will tell you and also show you how you can easily and quickly enable or, on the contrary, disable the CarPlay application on your iPhone. Friends, please subscribe to this channel also. Be sure to put your likes and write comments after watching this video. So let us get started with you. Open up, please, for this. The phone settings on your iPhone. Then select the Screen Time option. Next, scroll down a little bit here and select this option. Now go to Allow Apps and Features. And here you'll be able to find the CarPlay app. And you'll need to click on the button next to it to disable it. Next, if you have a passcode set on your phone, see it. If you don't have to. And now if you go back to your iPhone desktop, you can see that the CarPlay app, it's no longer part of your desktop. And even if you swipe to search, you won't be able to find that app. For that, you'll have to go to Settings to activate it first. And the same thing, friends, you can also activate it by going to Settings, Screen Time, and Beyond. And in order to activate it, you also just need to enable on the button opposite it. If you have a password on your phone, enter the password. Wait literally up to a few seconds in order for this application to reappear on the work screen of your iPhone. Friends, this is the quick and easy way to either enable or disable the CarPlay app on your iPhone. I hope you found this video helpful and useful. Please write your comments, put your likes, and also make sure to subscribe to our channel. See you later.